it's Madeline. Thank you so much for being here to watch my video. Today I am going to be doing a little ColourPop haul. I do not get sent PR. This is a very basic, average person haul and tutorial with the products that I bought, but I am going to be doing it also as an unboxing. I just got these yesterday and I have not opened it up yet, so let's go ahead and crack her open. I'm currently using my lash applicator to open this. Forgot to bring the scissors in here. Ooh, there we go, it worked. I'm so excited. I have not actually ordered from ColourPop in so long. So I just picked up a few things that I've been wanting. I am so excited. I got one of their little 4-pan eyeshadow palettes. This is the packaging for cream soda. I feel like these colors do look a lot more neutral online though. I will say that, but here is what this palette looks like. Again, this is their little cream soda palette. This is just so cute. I love the packaging. The other eyeshadow palette that I got, I am especially excited about. This is their Neon Gaze. I love the color of this palette. It is so fun, so cute. Yeah, these colors are really beautiful. This is just such a cool little eyeshadow palette. And then I picked up the No Filter setting powder. And I just got this in translucent. Some people said that this was a miracle for their oily skin, so I hope that I can say the same because this is very affordable. So No Filter loose setting powder. And I also bought the No Filter powder puff with it. I have been loving to apply my setting powder with a powder puff lately. So here's just that little puff. I'm so excited. Finally got my hands on the Soul Body Face and Body Bronzing Balm. And I went with the shade Light. I've heard that this is a crazy, insanely good dupe for the Chanel Soleil de Tan bronzer. I think that's what it's called. Ooh, I really like the packaging. Like, this looks like it's glass, but it's not. I love that. It almost has like a little coconut smell to it too. Not overbearing though, because I do not like too much coconut. So here is what this shade looks like. I just love everything. The color of this packaging is so beautiful. So I will be using that first. But the last two things are 2 lip pencils. So one of them is just a restock of the Cool BFF. This is my most favorite lip liner when I don't have as much color to my skin. So more so like fall, winter, even into the spring. I use that all the time. So I just picked that up as a restock. A new one is their lip pencil in the shade Ashton. I'm really excited to try this. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Yes, this is the exact type of shade that I was looking for. I'm not gonna open up the new Cool BFF lip liner, but I will just swatch my old one. So this is the Cool BFF here. And on this side, this is Ashton. Okay, so let's go ahead and start off with the Soul Face and Body Bronzing Balm in the shade Light. And I am going to apply this with my IT Cosmetics foundation brush. This I picked up many years ago, but I guess it's just their regular foundation brush. We are just gonna tap in there. So I do already have my foundation and concealer on because that was not from ColourPop, but I'm wearing the Estee Lauder Double Wear and the Dior Forever Skin Concealer. I'm already loving the finish of it. It's not super dewy and glossy. It's not moving my products around underneath it. I'm having like such a weird hair day. I'm sorry. Okay, this actually has such a beautiful scent to it. Makes me think of like flowers and coconut, I would say. I would say the finish is definitely like a semi-matte. There we go. Okay, so I just did that to warm up my face. I have not contoured yet, but now that we have this on, I am gonna just press it in a little bit with my sponge. Okay, and then let's just set this all into place with the new setting powder and powder puff. It's kind of a dense powder puff, I will say that. Super cheap though, so no biggie. Yeah, it'll get the job done. We're good. Just tapping some of the powder on the cap. Then I'm just gonna dab a decent amount on the puff, put some excess on the back of my hand, and then I am just gonna go in and lightly press this on my hands and all over my face. Okay, there we go. Now it's starting to get a little more translucent. I'm gonna go under the other eye. So I'm not trying to press down too hard, just a very nice even layer. Oh my gosh, dang, this is making my pores disappear. I'm loving it so far. I'll make sure I get enough on my nose. Wow. Okay, so far I have honestly didn't think I'd even be that impressed with this powder, but with it being on sale and I always kind of just wanted to give it a try, I was like, let's do it. No, I'm like, oh my god. I mean, my Too Faced Peach Perfect powder doesn't even make my face look this airbrushed. And that is my holy grail powder. Oh my goodness, I am so shocked. This made my cheeks look so smooth. It looks actually like I have a filter on my face. I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna go in too hard with my powder puff as I'm like, bam. I really flip and hope that this controls my oils because you guys know I love my Peach Perfect powder if you watch my videos, but I am like, I really wish that they had a scent-free version because it's a lot. I just love the neutral packaging. Also, I'm a sucker for neutrals. Like, give me my whites, nudes, beiges, etc. Okay guys, so I am just going to do the rest of my face makeup. I'm going to do my eyebrows, and then the next step to show on camera will be my eyes, so I will be back. Okay guys, I am done with my face makeup and my eyebrows. Let's go ahead and use some of this new eyeshadow. I am first going to go in with the Cream Soda eyeshadow palette, and I am going to go in with this bottom shade here. It is called Soda Shop. And I'm just going to set my whole lid with this to start. Okay, so now I am going to go in with this lower color here. This is Milkshake. I'm just going to put this on the outer part of my eye and into my crease. Yeah, it's just a bit more orangey than I wanted it to be. I mean, yes, the eyeshadow palette is cream soda, but it looked so neutral in the pictures. So I'm just going to top this off with a different shade. Okay, let's go in with the shade in this palette called Future. Okay, hold up. The shades on the front are entirely different than what's on the back. Like on the back, I would say that this is the shade Beats, but it's actually Future. So it's in reverse. I'm guessing that's how it's going with this shade, with these two. Like I'm guessing this one's probably Milkshake and this one's probably Soda Shop. Oh well. Okay, but let's go in with that. I love this palette. It is just so darn cute. So we will go in with the shade Future. Yeah, that's more of the tone that I'm looking for. I'm gonna try to build this up a little bit just to cover up the orange shade. I'll bring this underneath my eye. Let's just stop there before we do any more orange damage. Definitely going to use these more in the fall. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Beats here. And I am going to just kind of focus this on the lower part of my eye. Just going to do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, actually, now that I have my mirror directed in better lighting, I actually really like how this eyeshadow looks so far. I just cannot get over how beautiful that cream bronzer is, and topped off with that powder, oh my gosh. Now I'm going in with the deepest shade, which is Kinetic here. We're gonna make a little bit of a wing with this. Okay, I'm really liking this. Oh my gosh, my hair is so poofy. I should have just left it in the braid overnight, but I took my braid out before bed and my hair is like, why? If you keep up with my videos, you definitely know that I have been sticking to this look. It is just my absolute favorite. It's been my go-to for a few months now. Okay, now to top this off, I am gonna go in with this shade here. So it is either Float or Malted. I'm gonna guess, maybe it is malted. I don't know what's going on, okay? But I am just going to lightly dab my finger in here and then lightly press it on my lid. Hang on. I thought I would have like a little bit of a like wet glitter to it with the way it looks, but that's okay. Yeah, I really thought that this was gonna actually have a different texture to it. But it's okay, I actually still really like it. There we are. I think. So yeah, I am actually going to use that same exact shade and just focus it in my inner corners now. Oh yeah, that is, ooh, beautiful in the inner corners. So actually it looks really good on the lid too, but then it just adds that extra pop in the inner corners. There we go. I'm just going to toss on some mascara, use my Morphe setting spray, and then I will be back on the camera for the lip liner. I feel like that lighting is really not helping us right now. There we go. Now you guys can see how it looks. I still feel like, I don't know, my camera has a hard time with like natural lighting coming in, but fake lighting, I don't know. It's like, you are an expensive camera, act like it. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this lip liner. I am going to just prep my lips really quick with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Juicy Gloss. All right, so going in with the Ashton Lip Pencil. Yes. Okay, I've done like 3 swipes and this is already a new favorite lip liner. Woo! Okay. I am so darn excited. Like, this is so beautifully neutral. There isn't too much warmth, like there isn't an orange undertone to it, and I love that. Dang, if I would have known that this lip liner was gonna be so good, I would have got this months ago. I love their lip liners too. I really always have. They're just so creamy, so easy to apply, and they stay on. They're affordable. I mean, it's just an overall win-win. I'm just gonna go in with my Gucci Rouge Satin Margaret Candle Flame lipstick. It's a little bit too cool than I wanted it to be. Let's go in with the KKW Beauty Nude 1.5. There we go. That's more what I'm looking for. I'll tell you what though, her lipsticks have such a weird smell. They smell so plasticky, it's like, ugh. All right, you guys, here is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this little haul and tutorial with the products I picked up. I'm only going to link below the ColourPop products I purchased. If you have any questions about what else I have on my face, I will be happy to answer them. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, but if you want to stay tuned on how this ColourPop powder wears on my oily skin, because if it's really good, you guys will definitely see this in an upcoming video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you all in my next one.